I'm going to be using mascara wand. I'm going to be using tweezer. Meanwhile, these lashes came with this tweezer and I got it from AliExpress. If you haven't watched my unboxing video, please watch that. I'm going to be dropping the link right now on on my screen. I'm going to be using mascara. I'm going to be using lashes bond. Now these lashes are in 10, it has different inches. It has 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16 inches. This is it. So when you're buying cluster lashes, just look out for the different inches in it. Don't get one that has same inch, except you like everything looking sharp. But if you want to achieve that catty look, you may want to go for the one that has different lengths. Pardon me, I'm going to be making use of a mirror because I'm using my back camera. So I'm first of all going to use my mascara wand and brush up my lashes. So I'm just going to be lifting the size that I'm working on to avoid the glue from sticking down and to also give me a clearer view in what I'm doing. I am making use of this gum. You can make use of any gum of your choice. So I'm taking out size 14. Just take a little bit of the gum. I applied 214, so I'm going to be using 12 in the middle so as to give it catty look. I don't want it to be too long. Film. God, people don't know what happened. I thought I was recording and I was not recording. Hey, this thing. I was not recording because I'm using the back camera, so I didn't know I was not recording. Well, nothing lost because thankfully I've not done this eye, so I'm going to show you guys one or two with this eye as well. It paid me, it paid me, wasted effort. Easy peasy. Stop playing. Stop playing, guys. I'm your DIY plug. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe, my loves. Help this girl grow. Appreciate my effort. You can see I'm not packing lashes on my eye. This one I use just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clusters. I'm not packing them because they're already fixed, to avoid looking too bushy. But it all depends on what you want to achieve or on the look you want to achieve. I'm not packing too much glue. Hope you guys can see. Very easy. What is your excuse for not slaying this 2025? I don't see the reason. No. I do not see the reason because this is giving what it is supposed to give. This is the last hair I'm going to be putting. I ask again, what is keeping you from slaying this 2025? Because I don't get it. This took me barely Let me not lie, Sha. 20 minutes. 20 minutes and my lashes are popping. Like, what is the difference between this and semi-permanent lash? The only difference is probably it might last longer because this one I did it might not last that long, Sha. But then when it falls, you pick it up and you fix it back. The same natural look. Well, let me just leave you guys to rate these lashes. Rate this look in the comment section. Let me know if I passed the vibe check, if your girl did you proud or not. Meanwhile, this is my first time doing this lash set for myself. Normally I do the strip lashes, but this is the first time I'm going to be doing this. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Also let me know the next DIY you want us to do, you want me to do for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and all those good stuff. See you in my next video. Bye.